this one because I have a all clad.
Okay.
So can what's inside the box right there?
Nothing.
You want to use that box? I just want to make sure that I give you lids also. Oh, so okay. So look, I'm gonna show. Okay, you guys, I'm gonna show you real quick. This is all clad, and this is Casanova. Y'all see that? The coating is even a little different. I don't know if you guys probably can't see it. Can you see it?
I can see it.
Because this one has like a diamond coat in it. This one's just matte.
Yeah. You can.
But even though it scratches, it's not gonna scratch.
No.
But they both have lifetime warranty. So if anything happens, you can call it in. You don't know what I feel. I'm more than what I think I am.
What?
My drawer organizers. Or should I just leave it for her?
We'll take them. Cause you're gonna use them again.
I just don't know what the new drawer setup is gonna be. That's it.
I mean,
Just
yeah.
but these are expensive. I'll take it. I'll pack it in the next box. I followed the voice and it came to me. But now I'm done. My friend was like, "You pack so neat." Let me tell y'all something. In packing like this, it really helps because I don't know if you guys remember when I moved into this house, I was like, okay, everything that goes into the kitchen goes into the kitchen. Bedroom stuff, closet stuff, like everything was packed to the point where when it came time to unpacking, I was able to go through everything. I didn't have any trash, didn't have anything. So I try to clean and organize and give away things as I'm getting the house together, as I'm packing. That way when I get to the new place, I don't have to, because I'm not 100% sure, but I may just open up one of these boxes of pots and not everything, which is why I'm packing it the way I'm doing it. I'm gonna put a star on the middle box because that's probably gonna be the one that I use the most.
Could you expound on it? I don't know if you would do it in this video, but everything everybody told you that they didn't understand you did in this house, you're being paid for.
What do you mean?
The furniture selection, the finishes, the paint, all the additions you add, you're being paid for.
Yeah.
Because you're taking the main things, but there are also some things that you're leaving behind. But
Yeah.
you're still getting their money back.
Yeah, no. Some of the stuff, of course, like I said, I am selling and getting the money back. But some of the things that I did add into the house, I'm getting paid for. As of right now, I haven't found a new home to buy. But I do have companies that are still on board for me to fix another house. My plan, which I guess say it now, but what I would like to do is to find a fixer-upper and make it mine. I feel like that is a thing that would have made sense day one, but I was so scared. And again, I didn't really start making the money that I'm making now until I moved into the house. And it was just honestly me having to stop being so scared to ask for the money that everybody else was already making. And so now I feel so much more confident going into like a new renovated space, like having someone come out to build custom shelving, having someone come out to really put my vision into place. That's what I would like to do, and that's the plan. And so I'm still gonna get paid. I would never tell you I to upgrade your house, because if I had to do it myself, I probably wouldn't have done so much. But I did get paid for almost half of the projects that I did in my house. I don't really think you guys truly understand how deep of a pocket that social media is, and the amount of income and growth that you can actually make by being on this platform. Because honestly, even the things that I didn't pay for, the amount of money that I saved in not paying for it, you know? So, okay, I think, Kevin, you know what I want to do? Take all these boxes and put them in the office, let's clean in front of the window. That way. Oh, you know what? Push it in here. Let's push it in here. Hold on, hold on. The bandit fell off my arm. Just push it against this wall. Oh, this is yours. This is an extra one? Okay. I'm gonna give this to my mama. This is not pictured on the side. Is this, where'd this come from? Cause it's not pictured on the side of this box.
That might go with
Yours?
Mm-hmm.
All right.
Yeah, this out of the box.
Alright, you guys. Kev essentially helped, but of course, so I've left the chain extensions for the light fixtures and everything for the alarm. That way she can have it. I'm just going to take my name off of it so that way she can transfer it. I'm going to go ahead and move to the other side. I'm probably going to leave her some candles because I know I'm not going to use them. been moving, but I can't.
Okay.
I have no strength. Alright you guys, that is it. I'm not gonna lie to you, I'm really not feeling good today at all. But as I said, I know I have to push through to get things done. So the kitchen is pretty much packed up. I have some dishes, but I'm gonna leave whatever needs to stay in there. And under the bookcase is done. I even have things in my closet upstairs kind of situated also. But I'm exhausted. So this is my time to just come and rest. I'm gonna close it out here. I'm going to Atlanta next week. I'll be touring a few places. Once I have figured out exactly what I'm gonna be doing, I'll let you guys in. But I'm gonna go lay down because like I said, I'm really not feeling that great. So I'll see you guys.